This is a short presentation of yet another soldering station that I'm building. It's the 15F model working with Hakko T12 cartridges. One of the functions it has is the standby function. It's activated by contact of the tip with the soldering iron stand, and the signal goes through this wire into the station. And also there is a boost function which increases the power for a short time. That's an automatic activation of that function when the station detects that more power is needed. It stays just for a while until the cartridge gets closer to the trimmed temperature. So let's just try it. And at the beginning you will see that this LED is glowing red. This shows that the boost is activated, and now it turns green, so it shall stay green during normal functioning, except for moments when more energy is needed. Now let's turn to the other function, the standby function. If I should touch with the tip the soldering iron stand, this function is activated. You see a green LED in the wire that shows me that fact, but also the display has dropped from 250 degrees to 160 degrees because this is not the normal functioning temperature, is the standby temperature. It, as you can see, for the moment the LED is not blinking. Soon the system will cool down to this 162 degrees, and it should start blinking, of course, with the normal green light, because as you can see, because of course it's not peak demand at this moment. Things will change once I will lift the iron from its stand. We shall see the green light on the wire turn off, and the main LED on the front panel will probably turn red to indicate the boost activation. So let's try it. It is red, and now it reaches the normal temperature. And of course the knob is used to trim to another value, and it is a potentiometer, so the position counts. And there also is sort of a mechanical memory. If you leave it in one position, you will find it in the same position, so the same temperature that you left it.